Welcome to our channel. Flexibility directly impacts your ability to make a full, powerful golf swing. These exercises improve range of motion for better performance. Step 1. Perform a flexibility assessment to identify your limitations. Can you make a 90-degree shoulder turn, touch your toes, rotate your torso freely? Understanding restrictions helps target your work. Step 2. Develop thoracic spine mobility. This area is crucial for rotation. Practice seated torso twists, quadruped rotations, and foam rolling your upper back to increase rotational range. Step 3. Improve hip mobility with targeted stretches. Hip tightness restricts your turn and forces compensations. Perform hip flexor stretches, figure 4 stretches, and hip rotations daily. Step 4. Work on hamstring flexibility. Tight hamstrings limit your ability to maintain posture and rotate effectively. Hold standing toe touches, seated stretches, and use a stretching strap. Step 5. Increase shoulder mobility and scapular movement. Arm circles, doorway stretches, and shoulder dislocations with a resistance band improve your backswing and follow-through. Step 6. Practice dynamic warm-up exercises before playing or practicing. Walking lunges with rotation, leg swings, and arm circles prepare your body for golf-specific movements. Step 7. Consider yoga or Pilates classes focused on flexibility and core strength. These practices develop body awareness while improving range of motion. Step 8. Stretch consistently, not just before golf. Daily flexibility work produces lasting improvements in your range of motion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.